How to plant honey rose apple, Syzygium, in pots to fruiting heavily. Guava water is a plant of the Myrtaceae or guava tribe until the Jambe, originating from Southeast Asia. Guava water is actually different from cashew samarag or Syzygium samariges, kinship. Both that has a tree and fruit are almost the same. Generally the guava water shrubs with a height of about 3 to 10 meters, single leaves dealing with the shape of the heart of the girog to ovate round oval. Water type cashew fruit with a shape like gassing with a small base and widened end. The outer side of the fruit is white to red, the flesh is white, contains a lot of water, has almost no aroma, has a sour taste or sweet acid, sometimes slightly sepat. Scientific classification of guava. Kingdom, Platy. Division, Magoliophyta. Class, Magoliosidae. Order, Myrtalaceae. Family, Myrtaceae. Genus, Syzygium. Species, Syzygium. Now there are many names and varieties of fresh guava. One of them is a red honey rose apple, Syzygium, and green honey rose apple, Syzygium. Honey rose apple, Syzygium, water has a fresh and very sweet taste when eaten. Many people who like this cashew, so for those of you who want to look for business opportunities, it seems like this honey farming can be used as a business. If you do not have a large area to grow or cultivate this honey, you can plant cashew in pot or polybag planting, also called tapulampat jambu maju. Here's how to plant honey rose apple, Syzygium, in pot or in order to fruit full bushmore. 1. Preparation of honey rose apple, Syzygium. Choose quality guava seeds that will affect the quality of the resulting fruit. Honey rose apple, Syzygium, seedlings can be obtained by cuttings or grafts from previous breeding crops. But if you do not want ribet, honey guava seedlings can be obtained by buying it at the grocery store. 2. Preparation place and media planting honey rose apple, Syzygium. Prepare large planting pots /polybags with a diameter of about 50 centimeters or other containers such as used drums cut into 2 to plant cashews. Prepare also planting media in the form of soil mixture, rice husk and manure with a ratio of 1:1:1. Mix the 3 media planting materials until well blended. 3. How to plant honey rose apple, Syzygium, in pot. Once everything is ready, immediately do the planting. Put the planting medium into the planting pot up to half the portion. Then, insert the seeds of honey rose apple, Syzygium, into the pot, but before you remove the plastic polybag seeds. Back but not too full. 4. How to take care of honey rose apple, Syzygium, in pot. Perform regular watering as much as 2 times a day, i.e. morning and evening. When the dry season, watering can be increased to 3 days. Also do fertilizer. Fertilization is done 2 times a week using manure and fertilizer NPK. After the plants begin to grow buds until new shoots, do pruning to grow more buds. If the cashew tree starts flowering, can be wrapped or installed mosquito net so as not to be attacked by pests. 5. Honey rose apple, Syzygium, harvest period. Usually honey rose apple, Syzygium, will bear fruit after the age of 2 to 3 years depending on the type and varietacea. This honey fruit is not familiar with the season. This fruit can be harvested up to 10 kilograms per tree with an age of about 1.5 to 2 years. The fruits that are harvested must be the correct guava fruit until properly cooked. So we are discussing about how to plant honey rose apple, Syzygium, in pot or in order to fruit. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.